incentives provided, incentive provided by the government of Indonesia to startups, do they open their doors, the incentives to foreign startups as well?
I think they're still focusing in the local startup. I haven't heard they're entering for the foreign startup. Yeah.
And Bront, you have expanded to Indonesia. You were privy to the market in Indonesia. What do you think? Do you think that it is easy to penetrate Indonesian market in terms of modest fashion, or is like super difficult? What Riel was saying is not really true.
No. I totally agree with him, but I think from my perspective is this, because the nature of or the ecosystem, the landscape is slightly different. With Malaysia, like it or not, the truth is it's a top-down approach. Government says something and blah 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 blah. And then after 3 years, they realize, hey, nobody's taking up only the grant shop and no one else. And they realize that it's quite disconnected. Whereby in Indonesia and a lot of other countries is organically, from ground up. They build and they even in Indonesian film industry, when Malaysia is making complaints about what the government is not doing enough, blah blah blah, the Indonesian film industry just saying, leave us alone. The government of Indonesia, leave the Indonesian film industry alone. Don't mess with us. So it's different. Maybe because they have bigger market, yes, but it's also in the power of the will. If you have the willpower to say, okay. And now coming back to the question, can we go in? Yes. And I've asked some of my friends, there's a myth in Malaysia saying Indonesia will shut door totally to Malaysian artists, to Malaysian Asian content, whatever. And some of my friends said, did we reject MIHAS? No. Did we reject Siti Nurhaliza? No. Did we reject Upidipin? No.
And they did not reject from Palarae. You were in Pengabdi Setan. Pengabdi Setan, right?
So the obvious thing is, if you bring garbage, we have a lot of garbage already. We don't need additional garbage from our neighboring countries. So that makes sense as well.
And you did mention about